Hello. In this lesson we're going to look at the idea of address maintenance. Now this applies really to those systems which are not integrated with a Sage accounting system because they typically have mechanisms to ensure addresses which are used for billing, for sending invoices, etc. are maintained as part of the integration. So this is looking specifically at the idea of address maintenance. So here you can see I'm looking at a company. I'm looking at an existing company, Gatecom. Now we can see that that within amongst the addresses on the company summary screen that there is an address listed here, 400 Pine Street, and we can go onto the addresses tab and we can see here the details of the different addresses that are associated with this company. Now, as we look at the different addresses, we can drill in and we can start to maintain the actual address themselves. We can look, for example, if I come here into Sanford Street, you can see that this is a known address. This is a business address. We can see types of address that are listed here. But notice also this is not the default address. And if I come out of this particular screen, we can have a look here and see that also there is another address which is 400 Pine Street. And if we go into here, this is the default address for the company. Now, there is other information available to us as well within the address maintenance screen, and this is where we can see the link status. If I click to look at the link status, this tab actually shows where the addresses are used for other contacts. So this is part of being able to see that the address is used for people as well as the company. And I can compare, say, 180 Sanford Street is also used for all of these contacts as addresses. Now, if I want to add in a new address, I can come back up to the level of the address and click to add a new address. Here I'm going to call this main road and indicate that this is a new company address, and I'll mark this for billing and shipping and save this. So we've got the identification of this address for one main road as being billing and shipping, and we can see the link status there. So if we look here at the link status, we can see that the link status for Sanford Street and for Pine Street, these have chain symbols next to them, which indicate that they are used for multiple contacts, and we can see the link status is currently only used for looking at the main address for the company. So it's not linked to these other contacts. So I could actually here now edit this so that we can start to associate this address as an alternative address for other contacts within the company as well. So I can choose save, and we can see that that's updated. And what this means is if I come up to look at the listing of addresses, we can now see that there's a chain status to all of these as well. So that we have is at the heart the idea in which we can maintain addresses across different contacts within a company.